In this tutorial you learn to watercolor snowdrops, but first you need to prepare your materials. For this painting I'm using light green and soft blue watercolors. I'm starting to shade the petals. I'm using a light wash of soft blue and a little of green. For the first layers of watercolors I'm using wet and dry technique for better control. Second layer I'm using wet on wet technique to blend colors softly. Put more color where petals overlap to create depth. Once dry, I refine shadows with a wet on dry technique. Make gentle strokes with blue paint, letting it softly spread. I'm also using wet and dry technique for keeping the edges crisp and correcting the details. Put second and third layers of watercolors to create even more depth. Next step is to paint the stems and leaves. I begin with a light green and wash by using wet on dry technique. After drying, I add a second darker green layer using wet on wet, mostly in shadows areas, allowing the color to blend softly. I keep some highlights untouched. In the next step you need to enhance the details. You can deepen the stem folds and leaf shadows by using a third layer of green. You can soften any harsh transitions by using wet and clean brush. And in the final step you can refine the details and shadows. Let the painting dry completely before making any final refinements. And here it is, your beautiful watercolor snowdrops. Thank you so much for watching, and remember to like and subscribe.